Hello, good morning, everybody. I wish all of you were good. In this rainy season, don't forget to keep your body healthy by consuming healthy food, do some workout, and get some rest. Rainy season comes doesn't mean that we are only lazy on the bed. We could do something more useful instead of lying down on the bed, right? So anyway, welcome back to my online class. So are you ready to start our class today? So let's get started. As you know, order taking is a skillful art for any waiters. After proper greetings and sitting, a waiter needs to wait for the guest to take order. So today we are going to learn how to take food order in restaurant through step-by-step instruction. Taking order guests. In this video, I'm going to show you some steps how to take order or order taking. This step will be very useful for you when you start learning order taking in the restaurant. So how to take food order in the restaurant. First step atau step pertama, observe your guests. Amati tamu Anda. So be observant and use proper timing. Jadilah pengamat yang baik dan gunakan waktu yang tepat. Smile, make eye contact and try to anticipate when the guest is ready to order. Senyum dan buatlah kontak mata dan coba untuk mengantisipasi ketika tamu sudah siap memesan. For example here, when the guest close the menu or look around, that is indication that he or she is ready to order. Jadi ketika tamu mulai menutup menu dan melihat sekitar, itu mengindikasikan bahwa tamunya sudah siap untuk melakukan pemesanan. Jadi siapkan note-nya. Okay, we continue to the second step. For the second step is approach the table. What does it mean here? Dekati meja tamu Anda. Approach the guest table with a smile and maintain eye contact by saying, "Excuse me, Mr., Miss, Mrs., Miss, or Sir, Madam, may I take your order, please?" Dekati meja tamu Anda dengan senyum dan pertahankan kontak mata dengan mengatakan, "Permisi, Tuan dan Nyonya, bolehkah saya mengambil pesanan Anda?" We continue to the next step. The next step is suggestive selling. Okay, suggestive selling. Recommend your buffet to the guest by saying, "May I suggest our according to the meal period." Jadi di sini rekomendasikan prasmanan Anda kepada tamu dengan mengatakan, "Bolehkah kami menyarankan prasmanan kami sesuai dengan periode makan yang ditentukan?" If the guest prefers to order from a la carte, advise the guest our daily special or other promotion. Jadi jika tamu lebih suka memesan dari a la carte, maka sarankanlah tamu Anda makan spesial harian atau promosi lainnya di restoran Anda. Overview their suggestion accordingly by saying, "Excuse me, Mr., Mrs., or Miss, Sir, or Madam. Would you like to have an appetizer to start with? May I suggest our blah blah blah." Dan tawarkanlah saran lebih lanjut dengan mengatakan, "Permisi Tuan dan Nyonya, apakah Anda ingin memulai dengan hidangan pembuka? Bolehkah saya menyarankan Anda our specialty today? It is blah blah blah." Anda boleh menambahkan nama makanannya di sana. Okay. Or you can say, "May I suggest our specialty soup? It is one of our most popular soup and it is blah blah blah." Anda boleh menambahkan nama supnya di sana. Next step is take the order. Take the order atau mengambil pesanan tamu. This is one of the most important thing in taking guest order because a waiter should pay attention more to their guests. Jadi inilah salah satu part atau bagian terpenting dalam mengambil pesanan karena kita harus memperhatikan dengan baik apa yang tamu punya pesan. During ordering process, note down the number of guests and items ordered in order pad. Selama proses pemesanan, catatlah jumlah tamu dan barang yang dipesan di buku pesanan. Take order from the ladies first, followed by an older gentleman or a guest and the host the last. Jadi ambil pesanan dari wanita pertama diikuti oleh pria yang lebih tua dan tuan rumah yang terakhir. Yeah, that's for the fourth step is taking order. Next step we continue to repeat the order. Yes. I think this is important point in taking order. To make sure there won't be any mistake on taking order, we have to repeat the order. After all the guest has ordered, repeat the order back to the guest by saying, "Excuse me, Mr., Mrs., or Miss, or Sir or Madam, may I repeat your order, please? They are." Oke, di sana order yang sudah dipesan. Jadi setelah tamu memesan, ulanglah pesanan kembali dengan mengatakan, "Permisi Tuan dan Nyonya, bolehkah saya mengulang pesanan Anda? Mereka adalah," ya, itu adalah nama makanannya yang nanti disebutkan di sana. We continue to the next step. The next step is before leaving the table. Oke, jadi sebelum meninggalkan meja. When the guest has acknowledged the order, thanks the guest politely and collect all menu. Saat tamu sudah mengakui pesanannya, maka ucapkanlah terima kasih dan dengan sopan, kemudian kumpulkan semua menunya. So make sure di sini yakinkan bahwa nanti tidak ada yang tertinggal. There are 3 copies or captain order sometimes. White copy to bar or kitchen. Jadi yang kopian warna putih biasa digunakan untuk bar atau di kitchen. And red copy is commonly used for cashier. Biasa digunakan untuk di kasir. And then blue copy for waiter. Blue copy untuk para pelayan. Okay, here I would like to give you some tips. Some tips in taking order. First one is confirm with the guests if they would like to be served course by course or all the dishes at the same time. For guests who has ordered more than one dish or have different number of dishes. Jadi konfirmasi dengan tamu jika mereka ingin disajikan hidangan demi hidangan atau semua hidangan pada saat yang sama. Nah, ini untuk tamu yang memesan lebih dari satu hidangan. Next tip is refer to the menu to identify the item that can be prepared with different method or served with different sauce, etc. Ask the guest what they would prefer. So, lihat menu untuk mengidentifikasikan item atau barang yang dapat disiapkan dengan metode berbeda atau yang disajikan dengan saus berbeda. Maka tanyakanlah kepada tamu apakah mereka suka. Next tip is always approach the guest in friendly and courteous manner. Selalu dekat tamu dengan cara yang ramah dan sopan. Okay. Speak with a clear and confident tone. Bicara dengan nada yang jelas dan percaya diri. Always approach serve from the right hand side of the guest, unless it is more practical and efficient to do it from the left. Selalu lakukan pendekatan dari sisi kanan tamu, kecuali lebih praktis dan efisien untuk melakukan dari sisi kiri. The last one is address the guest by their name where possible. Name can be obtained from a reservation book or table plan, or by asking host person or team leader, or by introducing yourself and asking the guest directly. Jadi di sini sapalah tamu dengan nama mereka jika memungkinkan. Nama dapat diperoleh biasanya dari buku reservasi atau dengan bertanya kepada tuan rumah atau dengan memperkenalkan diri Anda dan bertanya secara langsung ke tamu tersebut. Okay, these are some common expressions commonly used in taking guest order. First one, are you ready to order now, sir? Next, what would you like to order, sir? So we have two specialties this week. They are, the specialty this week are blah 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 and blah blah. How would you like the steak done, sir? How would you like the steak cooked? I'm sorry, sir, but there is no more asparagus. Maafkan tuan, sudah tidak ada asparagus. I'm afraid we are out of asparagus, sir. I would recommend the cucumber mousse instead. You may like to try the cucumber mousse instead. Would you like extra vegetable or salad? I'll repeat the order. Okay, to make sure that you will understand what we have discussed before, so I will show you a dialogue today between the waiter and the guest. The waiter, are you ready to order, sir? The customer, what do you recommend? Waiter, I suggest nasi bakar ala Chef Ivan. May I suggest nasi bakar ala Chef Ivan? That's what I mean. Customer, Indonesian food? Waiter, yes, it is roasted rice served with satay and sambal terasi. It sounds good. Then let me have it. Certainly, sir. And what would you like to drink, sir? I'd like to drink red wine. Which wine would you recommend from your wine list? I would recommend Spanish wine such as Rioja or Malena, as well as local wine such as Savrefi. Rioja is dark and delicious and matches well with the Chilean stick. Malena is good with grilled meat. I will sample the local wine, please, and take a glass of Savrefi. Well, I repeat your order, sir. One nasi bakar ala Chef Ivan and a glass of Savrefi. Well, would you please wait a few minutes? I'll be back with your order. Okay, so that's the dialogue. And now I want to show you some one captain order. In the captain order, you can see here there are some information on the write down on the captain order. First one is waiter, the table number, person, the number of person, the time of reservation. The time of order, and then the check number. And there is on the captain order, there is a quantities and item. Quantity jumlahnya on the left side, and on the right side is item and the menu, what the guest order, as you can see here. So these are the steps of order taking. Follow the step, and I'm sure you could do it correctly and easily. Practice the step at home to get yourself used to taking order. If you got any question about it, you may ask me in the class later. So that's it. Our discussion today. Thank you for your attention and see you next in other lesson. Goodbye. Yep. After this, I'm going to give you assignments. So check it out. Thank you, guys.